The manner in which we initiate our day wields substantial influence over its trajectory. Breakfast, often hailed as the most critical meal of the day, serves as a pivotal foundation. In recent years, social media has infused culinary creativity into breakfast ideas, offering an array of options. Yet, what truly constitutes the healthiest breakfast? Which nutrients or foods should one prioritize to effectively fuel the body? Does breakfast hold the paramount importance often claimed? Before we dive into the video content, we want to take a moment to express our gratitude to each one of you. Your support means the world to us. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to Healthism. Your subscription helps us continue to provide valuable content to empower and support your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Now, let's explore the essential nutrients, smart tips, and healthiest breakfast foods that dietitians recommend to jumpstart your day. Is breakfast truly significant? Breakfast plays a pivotal role in nourishing the body with essential nutrients and providing the energy necessary to commence the day. Extensive research bolsters the significance of morning meals. A data analysis encompassing over 30,000 individuals highlighted that those who skipped breakfast were prone to a deficiency in key nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, D, A, B vitamins, calcium, iron, and phosphorus in their overall diet. Another review in 2021 noted that regular breakfast consumption correlated with a reduced risk of heart disease and metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. Additionally, skipping breakfast was linked to disruption in circadian rhythms and elevated blood sugar levels in individuals with diabetes throughout the day. However, acknowledging individual diversity remains crucial. While some individuals thrive on breakfast, others might not, and that's acceptable. Understanding one's body, appetite, and preferences is key. Experimentation with breakfast intake might unveil its impact on energy levels, focus, mood, or hunger pangs. Components of the healthiest breakfasts. A nourishing breakfast comprises essential macronutrients. Complex carbohydrates form a cornerstone, sourced from whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes. These carbohydrates, rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, regulate blood sugars and provide a diverse array of health-boosting nutrients. Protein, crucial for sustaining energy and satiety, also aids in building and maintaining bodily tissues. Optimal sources of lean proteins encompass lean meats, eggs, fish, nuts, seeds, low-fat dairy, and legumes. Moreover, integrating healthy fats into breakfast is beneficial, enhancing satisfaction after meals while supporting cellular, brain, heart, and metabolic health. Prioritizing unsaturated fats, such as those found in olives, olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, and certain vegetable oils like safflower and sunflower, is ideal for heart health. Micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds are equally vital. These nutrients, primarily derived from plant-based foods like nuts, seeds, legumes, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, are associated with diverse health benefits, including reducing inflammation and bolstering overall immune health. Nutrients to limit or avoid for the healthiest breakfast. Steering clear of excessive added sugar is essential, as it leads to energy spikes followed by crashes, contributing to inflammation and undermining overall health. Foods high in sodium, common in breakfast meats like bacon, sausage, and ham, can elevate blood pressure and induce bloating. Similarly, being mindful of saturated fats, cholesterol, and ultra-processed foods is crucial, given their potential adverse effects on heart health and increased inflammation. Is there an optimal time for breakfast? Establishing a regular mealtime routine, particularly breakfast within 2 hours of waking, aids in kickstarting the metabolism and promoting consistent digestive patterns. Research suggests that consuming more calories earlier in the day, harnessing insulin sensitivity, positively influences blood sugar management. Aligning meals with the body's sensitivity to insulin earlier in the day appears beneficial for overall health. The healthiest breakfast foods to include yogurt, a nutrient-dense option blending protein, carbs, and healthy fats. opting for full-fat varieties supports gut health and provides lasting satiety. Eggs, a versatile protein source rich in essential nutrients. Despite containing dietary cholesterol, whole eggs offer substantial nutritional benefits. Chia pudding, an emerging favorite packed with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting sustained energy and gut health. Oats, whether as overnight oats, oatmeal, or granola, they are abundant in heart-healthy fiber, sustaining satisfaction throughout the morning. Smoothies, a blend of fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and proteins, provides a nutrient-dense breakfast option. Whole grain toast, customizable with various toppings like avocado or nut butter, whole grain breads offer sustained fuel and essential nutrients for a productive day. Starting the day with a well-rounded, nutrient-rich breakfast sets a positive tone for overall health and sustains energy levels throughout the day. We hope you found this video insightful and helpful in understanding the importance of a nutritious breakfast and how it can positively impact your day. Remember, your health is a journey, and making small, positive changes to your morning routine can have a significant impact. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more valuable insights on health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to Healthism. Your support allows us to continue sharing informative content to guide you on your path to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and here's to starting your day with nourishing choices that fuel your body and mind. Stay tuned for more empowering content. Take care and prioritize your well-being.